Okay, we're back working on some content for Recover Vibe using their brand new device, the Recover Vibe Pro. Okay, now this massage gun has a lot of power and it's really effective at breaking up really big muscles like your quads. Now, when you massage or do percussion therapy on big muscles like your quads, you actually increase the amount of blood flow, you speed up the amount of recovery, and you increase the actual range of motion of that particular muscle group. So if you have knee problems, one of the best ways to alleviate that would be to actually attack right down the side where the IT band runs. So if you're a runner, the IT band is that section that constantly gets tight. And if you run down the outside with the massage device, you're gonna actually break up a lot of this scar tissue. You're gonna break up a lot of those adhesions, get that area sliding around really nicely, going all the way down the side of your leg. You can even cross over into the middle part of your quads, and then you can even do your VMO, okay? So everything is possible. This machine has enough power and torque to be able to get the job done. And then as soon as you're done, you're gonna notice that a lot of your knee pain will dissipate and you'll be able to go on really good runs and athletic endeavors. I hope you guys like that one. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will be sure to answer them in the comments. Take care, have a great day.